What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2004 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Guys, this bike is in insanely good shape for the age. As a lot of you guys want to say, it's cherry. Insanely good shape. Look at that cool chrome cover on the rear fender there. This bike is just, it is so clean. This was a local trade-in from a guy. There's a couple little scratches right there. You can see those. It's a local trade-in from a guy. A couple little scratches on the pipes, but they are Screaming Eagles. He bought another Fat Boy off of us. He has multiple motorcycles. It's a killer bike. He bought it off an older gentleman that just really never rode it, and it stayed in his garage all the time. Look at that front fender. I do want to note there is a slight, see that slight paint chip right there. I can get touch-up paint, potentially touch that up. But I mean, look at those little forks. I mean, those are in insanely good shape. Usually they're all like scratched up, and that's just natural. I mean, like, I'm used to that. Tire tread is amazing. These are Dunlop, I think Americans. Yeah, Dunlop Americans. But they are just, it's in like, look at that. I mean, very rarely do you see no scratches on those lowers. It has a LED front headlight. Screaming Eagle spark plugs. It's got the chrome cover here. It's a really nice bike, guys. Got a couple tiny little scuffs right there, if you can see that. It's got this awesome looking exotic seat. It is a Harley Davidson seat. See that? Top of the tank. I mean, there's some little scratches on this dash thing. That is so typical. Yeah, watch this. It fires up right away. Only 9,455 miles on this beast. I mean, how many 04 Fat Boys can you find under 10,000 miles? This guy rode it literally less than like 10,000, less than 1,000 miles a year. It's in insanely good shape, guys. Like I said, 2004 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. There is that little stone chip on the front fender there. A couple little scratches here and there, but man, this thing is just, it is in such good shape. I love that color scheme. I love Fat Boys. This bike will not last long, I can tell you that right now. And one thing I want to note, look how clean those wheels are. Those are always pitted. It is just, the guy loved his bike. So like I said, guys, this bike will not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive video. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Srkcycles.com. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.